Okay, so welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're looking at fisheye lens. So I've had one of my older projects right here that I have, which is a bunch of shopping carts. We're going to go ahead to the data section where the little camera is at the side and change the type on the lens from perspective, and you can go with panoramic or you can go for the second one, which is orthographic. I'm going to pronounce that wrong, I guarantee it. So this would be relatively, if I can get this to work. Let's go camera, say various viewport display. I'm just going to open all of these. If we go panoramic, we can open the fisheye lens. So if you go field of view, you've got 180 currently. You can go ahead and change that, and you've also got lens. You've also got the millimeter right here that you can use. Let's see. So we could go mirror ball. We've got the cube map face. Yeah, and then you've got regular fisheye as well. So you can shift this around. So let's go with f-stop. You can kind of alter that as well. I'm just trying to find the one where it comes round into a circle. I think they changed the settings and stuff. So field of view is one that you can use. I'd say play around with it, if I'm to be honest with you, and see what you can come up with. But yeah, that's how you do the fisheye lens and stuff. Those are all the settings for it. I'm not quite acquainted with some of the settings, especially some of the newer ones as well. It's been a while since I've done fisheye lens, but yeah, if you need it, these are the settings, and this is all of the stuff that you can use. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.